Would you like to know how to make a marketing video? There's actually two different types of marketing videos, and they go in stages. So there's stage 1 and there's stage 2. And most of the training that you've had on sales videos, promo videos, marketing videos, those are all stage 2. So I will cover some stage 2 marketing videos in this episode, but I'm also going to go into stage 1, which are really, really important. So let's dive right in. Let's first talk about these two stages, or the two different types of marketing videos. There's videos that are to build relationships, and there's videos that are to promote, like a commercial, like they promote your product or service. So a lot of people skip stage 1. A lot of people skip the relationship building, and what that does is it makes your lead quality much lower. If there's no relationship there, it's like you're getting cold leads. Now, both stages are extremely important. I mean, stage 2, if you're going to make a sale, then you need a great, compelling, emotionally connected video. Like you've probably seen those emotional charts where their emotions peaked and then they come back down and you bring them back up. All those things are really important. And like a 2-minute promo video could take several months to create, meaning you're going to work on that script and you're going to refine the strategy and you're going to plan out the filming and you're going to plan where it's going to be filmed, and you're going to take some time to edit it and edit it and edit it some more and polish and refine it. The video that I use on the homepage of my website was created that way. So these videos are short, but they're really captivating. I mean, they keep your attention every second, and they're very, very well scripted. Every word is perfected and really thought about. And then all of your marketing efforts get funneled toward it. So you're just trying to get anyone and everyone to watch this promo video. So now let's transition to the stage 1 type video, the video that is there to build relationships. So these videos obviously have a different purpose, so you can follow a completely different strategy when making these videos. The scripts don't need to be polished. I mean, you really want to know your stuff, but you can prepare your content with talking points, and because you're an expert, because you really know the subject matter, then you can pause, you can look down at your notes, look back at the camera, and you can talk for another minute or two. So from that little description of the differences, you might not understand the value of step 1. Step 1 is huge because step 1, you don't have to pay to push in front of people. In fact, all you have to do is do a little bit of research to find what questions people are asking, and you can have the assurance that when you make a video, each episode has a built-in audience. Now, yeah, we want a lot of views, but what we care more is that we're getting the right type of views. A video can take off and go viral, but it doesn't generate any leads for you. But if you get the right type of traffic of people that are searching for your expertise and they watch this type of video, it's going to build a relationship with them, and it's going to turn into a lead on your website. It's going to turn into a high quality lead, like a referral. Now I've got some more that I'm going to share, but I just want to give you an example. So Noelle Randall, she teaches real estate investing. She provides coaching to help other people get into real estate. So prior to working with me, she paid for leads through Facebook ads, and those ads then came to her funnel, which had her stage 2, a promo video, okay? Now that worked really well as a step 1. She was able to build her business up to $1 million in the previous year. But as soon as we launched this YouTube campaign, or rather about 3.5 months into launching the strategy that I'm teaching you, she got to the point where the leads coming from YouTube were so far superior that she turned off Facebook. So Facebook was working, but YouTube was working way better. And so instead of having a Facebook ad pulling people in to watch this promo video and getting high quantity but low quality leads, now she was getting a lower quantity of leads but a much higher quality of lead from YouTube. And let me be clear, this is the opposite of the Mr. Beast strategy. Mr. Beast puts out a video and he wants all of his subscribers to come and watch that video because he makes ad revenue and he makes sponsorship revenue. But that's not our goal. Our goal is lead generation so we can have business revenue. So instead of having the goal of I want to put a video out there that gets millions of views and I want people to come back and watch every single episode, that's actually not what we want. What we want is people who've never heard of you before, but they need you. So your target audience that has just never heard of you before, we want them to find a video and then join your email list. So if that person then goes back and watches more of your YouTube episodes, that's great. A lot of your raving fan type clients will do that. They'll watch all of your videos. But once they subscribe to your email list, if they never return to YouTube to watch another episode, that's actually okay. And a big difference between the promo video and the relationship builder video, these relationship builder videos, you don't sell to them. They don't feel like they're being sold to, and yet a relationship is being built because they typed in a question to Google or YouTube, they found your video, and they see you as the hero because you're answering their question. You're just giving them value. You're teaching them. Now, at the end of the video, you give them a free gift. And that's the one place where selling comes in. You're not going to sell your services or you or anything like that, but you're going to sell your free gift. You're going to let them know what the gift is going to do for them. It could be a PDF download. It could be a mini course. It could be a free plus shipping book or something else. It could be a live webinar or a pre-recorded webinar. And then you just let them know, hey, if you found value in this episode and you'd really like to learn this a lot deeper, I've got a free gift for you. Describe that free gift. Sell that free gift on how it's going to benefit them, and then tell them the link is in the description below. So what happens next? Well, they go to your website, and on your website is where your promo videos are. There'll be a video about the free gift. On the thank you page, there's probably an upsell. If they navigate to your homepage, there's a promo video there. But now you know that there's two stages. You want to build the relationship first and then have them watch your promo videos. Now I've got something exciting to tell you about. So as you watch this episode, if you really see how your business fits in with this strategy where you want to leverage YouTube for lead generation as opposed to focusing on the ad revenue, I've created a mini course. Now, the mini course is $17. It's called the YouTube Lead Gen Blueprint. And in that, I teach a 6-step strategy that if you follow these 6 steps, you'll be able to dominate your lane on YouTube within about 4 months. Obviously, in a YouTube episode like this one, I can't go into a lot of detail because I've got limited time. But in the course, I go into great detail on every step. So by the end of the course, you'll have clarity on the entire strategy. You'll know tactically how to get these results for your business. I recommend you go take this mini course today. It'll take you an afternoon. It's only $17. Go to youtubeleadgen.net.